Okay, this is your 48-hour forecast for southeastern PA, New Jersey, and Delaware. I'm updating this on Thursday, March 20th, around 5 o'clock. Next update will be on Saturday, tomorrow, the 21st. I will have a general video which covers all three states in one long video. And we're going to talk about snow. I know. Okay, as we get this afternoon on Thursday, you can see temperatures warmed up nicely. Some areas are in the mid 60s. Closer to the shore, they stay in the 50s because of the ocean breeze. But pretty nice. If we just move this out a little bit, you can see around 7 o'clock, you can see the 60s are getting smaller and smaller, and you can see some cold air up this way. And that has to do with a cold front coming down, not a strong one, but it will bring some rain. And this is around 8 o'clock, and you can see some storms in here. I'm sure these are a few thunderstorms along here, and you might have some downpours that come with this. And again, this is 8 o'clock. Yeah, the heaviest stuff is really just to the west of Philadelphia here, but it'll be moving through. There is around 9 o'clock, and see how quickly it's coming through. And there's 10, there's 11, there's 12, and pretty rainy evening. Now this takes you to around 2 in the morning. And I just want to show you that the Poconos might get a little bit of wet snow. And there's still some pockets of heavy rain down here as we go through the night. And then it slowly pulls away. This is around 4 in the morning. A little bit of wet snow out here, but not going to stick. And then it's just going to pull away as we get to around 7 o'clock. If you're wondering how much snow out of this one, not much. You can see it's all up here in the Poconos, and it's basically a dusting. Maybe somebody gets an inch up there, but the temperatures are really going to drop. They went from the 60s to around 32 degrees by morning, Friday morning. So a big temperature drop of 35 degrees there. As we go through the day on Friday into the afternoon, temperatures don't warm up as much. They're into the 40s to around 50 for the most part everywhere. And then as we go into Friday night, this is around 8 o'clock. You can see temperatures dropping through the 40s. And then as we get out to Saturday morning, around 7, there's a few pockets where temperatures get below freezing. Those are the pinks here. And the rest of everybody's in the low to mid 30s, basically, for everybody. Maybe southern Delaware gets around 40. And then as we go through the day on Saturday, the warm air is going to try to come in. You can see it right there. You can see the afternoon highs get into the lower 60s in Jersey and Delaware, upper 50s here. But then we have more cold air associated with another front coming through. This one's got a little bit more cold air with it as it comes through. And you'll see it's not much precipitation-wise, but it does bring in colder air. And what I mean by colder air, let's see if we can make this work here. What I mean by colder air is as we go through Saturday night into Sunday, you can see the temperatures dropping quite a bit here. Now I'm taking this out to 2 o'clock in the morning. You can see upper 20s up here and 32 degrees down to the south. Now it's going to be a little windy, so the actual feel on your skin going to be pretty cold. Teens up here by Allentown and Reading, um, just north of the suburbs of Philadelphia. Elsewhere, it's in the low 20s, so it's going to feel very cold if you're outside on Saturday night. All right, everybody, take care. Again, I'll update tomorrow and talk about some snow. Take it easy.